Hello friends! The technicians at this appliance repair shop, who have been fixing machines like this for years, shared these tips with us. So don't worry, we're going to get it fixed. When inspecting these machines, we've noticed that F138 usually appears when there's a drainage problem. Some clients tell us, the washer started making a strange buzzing sound, and suddenly F138 appeared. The water wouldn't drain. As we technicians explain, the machine detects that water isn't being evacuated properly and locks itself as a safety measure. Looking deeper, what we usually find are blockages in the hose or the pump filter. At our shop, we've seen everything from accumulated lint to coins or small objects left in clothing pockets. Any blockage, even a small one, can prevent water from flowing and trigger the error. That's why we always say a lost sock can turn into a huge headache. Sometimes the problem comes from the pump itself. Some clients report that the washer starts stopping unexpectedly after several years of use. Technicians find that the pump motor can wear out or the electrical contacts can corrode, interfering with drainage and causing F138. In these cases, replacing the pump is usually the most effective solution, and it's the one recommended by Miele. We also can't forget that sensor or control module failures can generate this code. We've seen on forums and in workshops that sometimes the error appears intermittently, especially after power outages or voltage fluctuations. Checking the water level sensors and the control module ensures the machine interprets the water amount correctly and doesn't show a false F138.